Performance. The next entry is from Central Visayas, Cebu. Only managed by mga negosyante, Mr. Richard Jordan. And technician, si paring Luel Ikong. Hey! And kaupon niya ng vlogger, Pods TV of Cebu. Powered by DB Audio Products. Kasama dyan, distributor, paring Dominic Tamunan ng Iloilo City, distributor ng DB Audio sa buong Pilipinas. And the rest of the family of the Dem Legend. Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Jordan, Disco Mobile.
Paul Jordan.
Hello, Colby. This is the White House. Ronald Reagan speaking. Fine, it's time for yes, much. Are you ready?
Huawei Remix.
Fine, it's time for yes, much. Are you ready?
Finisher of Team Legend. All the way from the Queen City of the South, Cebu City, giving you non-stop satisfaction, beyond expectation, beyond compare. Listen and feel the power, the beat, the clear quality, never been heard. The heart of every Cebuano. This is Paul Jordan Disco Mobile, powered by DVT Electronics. Basta DV Suave.
Powered by DB Audio.
Okay, maraming salamat.